Hey, drivers ready, marshals ready. This is M Chassis Intermediate A1.
Left.
M Chassis Pro Class, get ready. M Chassis Pro Class. Tuli ni Louie ah. Okay. First is Louie, second Lendel. Lendel, habulin mo naman si Louie. Kalahating racetrack na iiwan sa'yo. Okay, same lap. Lahat same lap. Except Doc Wally.
3 minutes left.
Saan si Doc Wally? Oh, sobra racing line ah. Ayan na, race leader. Oh, lapping, oh. Nako, binangga pa, oh. Oh, lusutan mo daw si Doc Wally, wala daw lapping sa kanya. Sige, oh, lusot. Oh, ano nangyari dyan? Tumirik ulit? Oh, kailangan natin palitan ng bagong driver yan, Doc, ah. Mabagal, full throttle yan. Totoo? Uy. Palit na sensor cable yan. Makina yan. Walang gas.
2 minutes left.
Hindi, walang ano yan eh. Mukhang palit makina to ah. Bagong palit yung makina niya, kubota. Ayan oh. Tumitigil oh. Kawawa naman. Ako, ayan na yung isang Doc oh, yung kulay yellow oh. Ayan na naman oh, lapping na naman. Doc Wally, wag kang tatabi. Tingnan natin kung gaano kagaling um-overtake si Louie. Ay, tumabi. Oh! Ay, kanina pa pala tapos. Hindi. Di ba? 1 minute remaining. Still leading,
1
Louie.
minute left.
Followed by Lendel, third Doc Wally, and fourth Doc Dennis. Si Doc, wala nang bitawan sa throttle. Full throttle all the way. Oh. Oo, tumaob pa.
Omega? Nandiyan na? Kuya, punta ka sa dito ka Omega. Kapag na-save or testing station, dito sa may event ng
And Chassis Pro Class, get ready. And Chassis Pro Class, get ready.
1 done.
Para
2 done.
dire-diretso tayo.
3 done.
Ako, nakatayo na pa, oh. Okay, all drivers finished. Louis, followed by Lendel, third Doc Wally, and fourth Doc Dennis.